This is Signal Daily News, marketing news that actually matters to your business. Here's what you need to know today. You've probably seen the pricing pages for website maintenance plans. They look so clean, right? A tidy monthly fee, a neat list of features. But here's what nobody's telling you. The real costs are hiding in the fine print. We're tracking a story about what website maintenance actually costs for small businesses. And trust me, it's not the number on the brochure. For context, imagine your website is like a car. The advertised price is the monthly oil change. But what about the blown tire? Or the engine light that comes on at 5 p.m. on a Friday? That's where the real money goes. In our assessment, the biggest surprise is the emergency fix. Your site goes down. You need it back up now. That urgent service can cost triple the standard rate. And you have no choice but to pay it. Then there are plugin conflicts. You add a new feature and suddenly, your contact form breaks. Fixing that isn't part of the basic plan. It's an extra. Every single time. And let's talk about downtime recovery. If your site is offline for a day, you lose sales. But you also lose trust. Rebuilding that isn't a line item on an invoice. It's a hit to your reputation. Oh, what does this mean for your business? It means you need to read the contract like a detective. Don't just ask, what's included? Ask, what's not included? Here's your move this week. Before you sign any maintenance agreement, ask 3 questions. 1. How much is an emergency callout? 2. Are plugin updates covered? 3. What happens if my site crashes? Get those answers in writing. The cheapest plan is rarely the cheapest. It's just the one with the most hidden fees. That's your briefing. Full story at Signal Daily News. Go grow your business. We'll keep watch on the news.